Hey everybody, this is Derek from Addictive Tips. So in this video, we're gonna go over how to set up a VNC connection. So VNC has been around for a long time, and it's very useful for setting up remote connections. And it's primarily used by Linux users, but there are some support for other operating systems, but we're just going to be going over how to connect to and from Linux with VNC. So the first thing you're going to need to do is you're going to need to install the Vnc software. And in this case, we're going to be using TigerVNC. Once again, all of that information is in the article, all the commands that you need and everything down below, so check that out. But once you get it installed, you need to run the Vnc server command. Now what this will do is it will generate a new configuration file and it will ask for a password. And this configuration file is very important because once you get this information, you can use it to log in on your servers remotely or wherever. So like I said, just run Vnc server in the terminal. Enter a secure password and then re-enter it. And then if you want to make a view-only password, it's like a password you can use for read-only mode. You can do that. I don't like doing that, so I'm going to click no. But once you do that, everything will start up. And once we enter it, the new Vnc session will automatically be right here. Now to connect to the Vnc session, we need to open up TigerVNC. So to do that, just search for TigerVNC in your applications. I'm using KDE Plasma, so I just got to type in TigerVNC. It'll be different depending on whatever desktop environment you're using. And what you got to do is you got to copy from here and put it into here, and then you just click connect. Now, once again, it'll ask for the password. So you got to enter the password and you click OK. And here we are inside of LXDE with my VNC connection. I'm connected directly. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Just a brief overview on how to connect to your VNC connection. And before I go here, remember how I talked about connecting to... Before I go here, remember how I mentioned connecting. So that's going to be it all for me today, guys. Just remember, if you're connecting over the internet, you're going to need to port forward and everything. If you're doing it over the LAN, run the VNC command on the host server and copy the information from that to your remote connection tool. And if they're all on the same network, everything should be great and run good.